am with you. Come. Cheers. One shot of beer. Ay, naka. I'm at left side. This bed is only for one person only. Left is occupied. Thank you, Tibet, for the super chat. Bino, hello. Thank you for coming. This bed, if you know, two people lying here, yeah, it's can be, but you can't do like that, like that. Only straight. Only you guys straight your body. You know, I mean, it's hard to move when two people are sleeping here because this is only for one person. This there's another space at the top here. Here, oh, because this is kind of bunk bed, but nobody sleep there. I was just put my other things. Before I was sleeping there, but it's really hard for me to go down and go into the toilet. You know, especially when you're so like your eyes is closed. It's hard to going down. You are amazing. Oh, are you lonely? Sometimes, yeah. It's normal being lonely because we are human. Sometimes we feel that loneliness. Ay, milk open. Hoy! Dididik ka? Dili, dili, madidiin ka. I've been subscribed to your channel for a few years. Thank you. My channel is 3 years old already. 3 years old. Sinina ulit eh. My goodness, my friend. Ashok, how are you? My goodness, it's been a long time. How are you? How are you? Where have you been? Milk is always open at the car station. Go and get there. Hi, Patrick. I think 2 years I've been subscribed. Oh, really? Thank you. I'm good. I'm glad to see you again. Where have you